Welcome viewers and introduce the importance of securing Bitcoin with cold storage. Briefly explain the difference between hot wallets connected to the internet and cold storage offline for enhanced security. Section 1. Understanding cold storage. Define cold storage and its role in keeping private keys offline. Explain the advantages of using cold storage for long-term Bitcoin storage. Section 2. Types of cold storage. Hardware wallets. Introduce hardware wallets as physical devices designed for cold storage. Mention popular hardware wallet brands and models. Paper wallets. Explain the concept of paper wallets as a form of physical cold storage. Discuss how to generate a paper wallet securely. Section 3. Setting up a hardware wallet. Unbox the hardware wallet and explain its components. Demonstrate how to connect the hardware wallet to a computer. Guide users through the initial setup process, including setting up a PIN and generating a recovery seed. Section 4. Creating a paper wallet. Explain the process of creating a paper wallet offline. Demonstrate how to use a reputable paper wallet generator. Emphasize the importance of generating the paper wallet on a secure and offline computer. Section 5. Transferring Bitcoin to cold storage. Discuss the steps to transfer Bitcoin from a hot wallet or exchange to cold storage. Emphasize the need to double-check the Bitcoin address to avoid errors. Section 6. Securing and storing recovery seed. Explain the significance of the recovery seed in hardware wallet security. Demonstrate how to write down and store the recovery seed securely. Emphasize the need to keep the recovery seed offline and in a physically secure location. Section 7. Regular maintenance and updates. Discuss the importance of keeping hardware wallets firmware up to date. Encourage users to periodically check the functionality of their cold storage solution. Section 8. Best practices for cold storage security. Emphasize the importance of keeping cold storage devices physically secure. Discuss strategies for preventing damage or loss of hardware wallets and paper wallets. Remind users to keep backups of the recovery seed in multiple secure locations. Section 9. Conclusion. Summarize the key steps in setting up a Bitcoin cold storage wallet. Reiterate the importance of security and the advantages of cold storage for long-term Bitcoin storage. Remember to visually demonstrate each step and include any necessary warnings or precautions throughout the video. Additionally, stress the irreversible nature of certain actions, such as transferring Bitcoin, to ensure viewers exercise caution and follow the steps carefully.